better. Okay, so this is my outfit. Hi guys, I know it's been a while. Oh gosh, Christmas, New Year's, it's been a lot. So I'm just gonna let you know what's happening. Christmas, it was great, small, intimate, exactly what we wanted. Then New Year's, we had no plan at all. And Mateo's birthday is on the 2nd of January. So we figured since we didn't have anything planned, we'll plan something for Mateo's birthday. So he turned 3 on the 2nd of January. Hooray! Keep it coming. He wanted a tractor cake. That's exactly what he got, and I will put a photo so that you can see it. He was so excited. We invited a few people over. It was nothing big. Yeah, today I'm actually going to Birmingham to a fabric store to collect some fabrics, and then I'm also going to Leicester, I think tomorrow, to the lady who is making the clothing. So guys, there's a lot happening. But anyways, you know, since it's all about fashion, I will show you what I'm going to wear today. Hold on. I'm gonna wear my lovely Freddie jeans. Always have my Freddie jeans. I will show you guys after I'm dressed. This is my Freddie. And then this lovely top we got in Iceland when we went on our lovely 3-day trip. It was too short. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing because it is quite cold outside. And I'm wearing these boots with it. I need to put my makeup on. Well, I have bags under my eye. I did sleep enough. I'm just going to do a little quick makeup, wash my face and all that jazz. I've had this hair in, oh Jesus, for weeks now, probably going 2 months, I think. I mean, you can hardly see the parting. I'm not in any hurry to take it out because it's so cold. Times like these, you actually need a lot of hair on your head to stay warm. So it's gonna stay in for a little while longer. I think maybe until the end of January, probably. Let's see how I feel, even though it needs washing. TMI. Yes guys, so that's what I have been doing. I have been busy. I've been busy. Oh, and another thing is, guys, I had my driving test on the 12th of January, so I was preparing for that as well. And guess what? I did everything right. The stars were aligned. It was a great day. I actually prayed the night before for a really nice examiner that have great personality, even though that's not what make you pass the test. But to be honest with you, it actually helps to have an examiner who is down to earth and is not going to sit there and be all quiet. I prayed for the perfect examiner. That's exactly what I got. And guess what? Everything went well. Drove out. I had to follow the sat nav for like 20 minutes. That was perfection. I had to, you know, stop a few times on the left, on the right, you know, all that jazz. And then my maneuver was to drive on to the right hand side and reverse the vehicle like 2 car lengths. That was fine. After he stopped the sat nav and then we were heading back to the test center, guess what I did? I end up trying to turn in the wrong location, and so I actually failed the test. When we got back to the test center, I could slap myself. Oh, so when we got to the end, he was like, I was looking forward to telling you congratulations. I'm like, now you say this. Anyways, it happens. I have another driving test booked for February, about the end of February, because you can't get any driving test booked any earlier. And I've also downloaded this app called Driving Cancellation Now or something like that. I don't even know what it's doing. I've downloaded it from the 12th, you know, after I failed the driving test, and nothing has come up. Every time something comes up on the screen, it just I click on it and then it's too late. They sent me an email to say that the date is no longer available. I mean, it's just useless, but we shall see, right? Anyways, I'm going to put my clothing on and, you know, get my face ready, and I will come back to you guys. How are you guys doing? Is everything good? Okay, this is slightly better. Okay, so this is my outfit. We arrived in Birmingham. I've collected the fabric. It's on the ground there. And then we're gonna go to Tattoo, which we're early. I think the reservation is for 12:30. Yeah, 12 or 12:30. I don't remember. Yeah, so I think Edward said he needs to download some kind of app to pay for parking, which is annoying. But this is Birmingham. Edward is gone to figure out what exactly is happening, and I'm just sitting, waiting. Yeah, he mentioned something about going shopping, but that was not in my intention. Like, I didn't dress like this to be walking up and down all over the place, even though my heels isn't very high, so it can manage. It definitely can manage. And guys, this is from Shein. And it don't cost me. It's from Shein. I love it because the heels is short, and well, I can walk around in it pretty much without having any issue. But when I got dressed today, I only got dressed with two things in mind, which was to go pick up the fabric and to go to Tattoo and fill my belly and have some cocktails. Because when I went to Tattoo in November, gosh, the cocktails were so good. So I didn't eat this morning because I just wanted to wash my belly out to make sure that I have sufficient space for food and cocktail. Guys, we're at Tattoo, waiting to be seated.
Skull candy. Can I see the glass? What can I see the face? Has it got a face? Is it... So it's amazing. It's amazing. That is. I like it.
We're the only ones here.